Want to generate AI images directly inside Unreal Engine? Let's get ViewGen plugin installed in less than 2 minutes. Once you download the ViewGen plugin from my Patreon or website, you have to do the following things. Navigate to your Unreal Engine version folder, like See Likely Program Files, Epic Games, UE_5.6, Engine, Plugins, Marketplace. Paste the ViewGen plugin folder there. Now it's available across all your UE5 projects. After restarting, open your project, go to Edit Plugins, search for ViewGen, and make sure it's enabled. Then restart the editor again. Now go to Editor Preferences. In Plugins ViewGen, and paste your Gemini API key. You can get your API key from Google AI Studio. That's it. Now open the ViewGen and start generating AI-powered images from your scene. Let me know in the comments if you need help setting up. Subscribe for more tools like this. Plugin link in the description.